This is a quick video on how to change the blade assembly in your Optimum jug set. This is the same for all of the jug sets, however the base plate may change and therefore the tool may be slightly different. Just a quick safety procedure: if we are going to touch the blades, we want to have a cloth in between the blade and our hand. So we want to take the jug in one hand, put the base plate removal tool in like so, and just twist counterclockwise. Now we want to grab the blade with that cloth and remove it. So reassembly, we want to take the blade assembly with that cloth. Now we want to line the blade assembly notches up with these notches in the jug, like so. Now we want to hold it in there with one hand, get the base plate with our other hand. Now the only thing we need to check is that this seal is in place and that we don't thread this base plate while we're putting it on. So if there's any major resistance, you probably need to start again, and it can help turning it counterclockwise before turning it clockwise. So we just want to do it up hand tight and then take the blade removal tool, turn it clockwise this time. When it gets a bit harder, we want to put it down and just give it a couple of good turns. There we are.